I've made it to the final section of our homepage, and this one's going to be a full width layout. Here's the plan. I will add a single banner box element that stretches across the entire width of the screen, but to make that actually happen, I will need to remove all its default margins. Otherwise, it will never reach edge to edge. Let's go ahead and fill this banner box with the right content. There is a call to action message inside, and I want the text inside this call to action area to look and feel like a button. I will style it properly in a minute, but for now, let's focus on getting the content in place. Now, let's change the style of the banner box to boxed. That way, the content stays nicely aligned inside the container, while still sitting on the background. Time to dive into styling the banner box. Let's adjust spacing, set background and text styles. Give it that polished look we want for a strong call to action. And since this exact section will appear on almost every page, it makes perfect sense to turn it into a global section. That way, if I ever want to update the content or change the design, I can do it once, and it will update everywhere automatically. Let's convert it to a global section now. And that's it. I'm all set. See you in the next video.